Argyle quilt patterns have captured the hearts of quilters worldwide, offering a perfect blend of challenge, creativity, and stunning visual appeal. These distinctive designs, reminiscent of Scottish tartans, feature intercrossing diagonal lines on a diamond-shaped grid, creating a timeless and eye-catching look. Today, we're exploring fantastic free Argyle quilt patterns that cater to quilters of all skill levels. First up is the Argyle queen-size pillow shams pattern by Terry Albers. This vibrant design is perfect for enhancing your bedroom decor. The pattern includes precise quarter-inch seam allowances and features an envelope back for easy washing. For those who love holiday-themed projects, the Argyle Christmas Quilt by Meredith Daniel is an excellent choice. This intermediate-level pattern combines traditional Argyle design with a modern twist, making it ideal for creating a cozy holiday atmosphere. If you're new to quilting or prefer simpler projects, the Easy Argyle Quilt by Misty from Missouri Quilt Co. is a great option. This free video tutorial guides you through creating a classic masterpiece using 10-inch print squares, background fabrics, and borders. Literature lovers will appreciate the Anne of Green Gables Christmas Quilt by Pieces by Polly. This oversized throw quilt measures 54 by 72 inches and features the delightful Anne of Green Gables Christmas fabric collection. The Charm Pack Argyle Quilt by So Very Easy offers a unique approach to the Argyle pattern. This design cleverly uses squares to create the illusion of diamonds, providing an interesting twist on the traditional Argyle look. Lastly, for those who prefer working on individual blocks, the Argyle Square Block by Bev of Flamingo Toes is a delightful option. This block can be used as part of a larger quilt or as a standalone project. Argyle quilt patterns offer endless possibilities for creativity and personal expression. So grab your fabric, dust off your sewing machine, and start your Argyle quilting adventure today. For even more inspiration and pattern options, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com and explore a curated collection of Argyle quilt patterns to spark your next project.